Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today we have another one of my most favorite subscription boxes. It is the quarterly box from Margot Elena. I am putting the price right here for the box. This is one of those boxes that we always get our value and more from this box. It's a great deal. It's the perfect box to get for someone for a gift, Christmas, birthday. So this is the winter 2025 box, and we are just going to go ahead and dive in. So this quarter, the theme is wrapped in radiance. We have got, it says here, sweet surprises. I'm putting my hand on the back here because I don't want to know what those sweet surprises are. I've only seen one person that's unboxed this. I did not watch the video because I didn't want to spoil it. So I don't know what is in here. So you are going to be experiencing this with me. Okay, so I pushed back the tissue paper and I'm going to check out this item right here, and it is interesting. I will say I have never gotten taper candles in the Margot Elena box. Definitely not something I've gotten before. So they're 10 inches. It's a set of 2 luminous tapers by M.E. Happy Home. So it says, cozy up in the captivating glow of candlelight, from dinner party to date night to luxurious downtime. Let's see what the rest of the box is like, because I've got some mixed feelings about these. But I'm going to hold and wait until I see. Sorry about that. So I'm going to hold my thoughts until I see what else we have in the box. Next item. Okay, this looks like something I've never got in the box either. Break into this. It is matches. So it's from Tokyo, their Tokyo Milk line. It says objects to desire, 20 safety matches. So this is interesting. Again, keeping my thoughts to myself. Let's just keep opening. That's just kind of a surprise to me. But what do we have here? From their, is it Lolia brand? Snowdropped hand cream with notes of winterberry and cashmere. Let's see here. So this line always has absolutely beautiful packaging. So let's see if it's opened or not. So it's not opened, and it does have one of those puncture seals. So I'm not going to open it for right now, just because it does have that type of seal. But let's just keep opening. All right, next, also by Tokyo Milk. I like this little bag here. I love when we get little bags like that because you can always find something to go in them. And there is a few items in here. Okay, the first we have from Tokyo Milk. This is number 76. It is Radiant Gem, Lemon Balm, Amber, White Daphne, and Musk. It is crushed and distilled essences. Is it like a rollerball? What is this? No, it's a cream. So yeah, this must be another hand cream. it does have that seal to it, so I'm going to open that up. I'm going to put a little right here. It smells good. It's not one of my favorite scents, but it smells good. Yeah, okay. And we also had in there one of their fragrances. So similar scent, just as a fragrance. And I love their bottles, are always so pretty. I'm liking the set better like this. So, okay, all right, getting better. And then they always give us some stationery, and they're always beautiful cards. So the cards we got this time, the first is Feliz Navidad, and it comes with an envelope, if you can see in there. Next is Go Buck Wild on Your Birthday. Is that not the cutest? And you can see the glitter. Okay, that's cute. And the other one is a thank you card. I will say I absolutely love getting these cards because, one, they're always cute, beautiful, different, unique, and it's always nice to have these when you need a card. So I just love having these. I put them in a little basket that I have, and when I need a card, I go to the basket, pull them out. So I actually love those cards. Oh, wait, going back to this set, it does say it is a petite gift set. And that came in the little bag. All right, next item, I'm going to pull this one. Now, this next line of theirs, I'm not a huge fan of. It is their archive line. So this is a full-size hand cream, and they always come in cool boxes. Like, these boxers are boxes you want to keep because they're that cool. Oh, wait a second. And we got the bookmark. So, let's see here. The bookmark says, for explorers, soul searchers, dreamers, and deep thinkers, the next chapter awaits. So I'm going to put this back in here like this. And you could take this off, just like that. And now you've got like the cool box. So, hand cream, full size. It's Journey Within, notes of green tea and willow. Oh my goodness, I was holding the back, but that's okay. Here's the front. So notes of green tea and willow. It's relaxing. It says, as enticing as a handwritten note found tucked inside a favorite old book, this hand cream has a carefully curated blend of nurturing shea butter, aloe, cucumber, and macadamia oil. Now, this one does also have that metal, but I don't know about you, but I'm very curious. So I am going to open this one. Okay. And I will put some of this cream on this side. Okay. Feels very nice, luxurious, and smells divine. Oh my gosh, does that smell good, you guys? And this is the archive line, a line that I generally don't like or care for. And that smells divine. That's great. All right, we have 3 more items in the box. The first, or the next. Oh, okay, this is good. From their Lolia line, it is their Snowdrop perfumed shower gel, which same scent as that little hand cream. So winterberry and cashmere. This is a full size at 8 ounces. I don't think I have ever gotten a Lolia item as a gel. So this says Luxe Lather, soft, soapy suds, fresh botanical extracts, condition and cleanse. Oh, I'm really excited about this. So this is number 32. And it is open. It smells good. It does smell good. Another super happy about. Kind of separating here. All right, 2 more items. Next, is this a candle? I hope it's not a candle because we already gave us candles. But let's see. Oh, it's not. So this is by their Cottage Greenhouse line with a revitalizing essential oil blend, rosemary mint, rescue foot cream. This is another first. I have never gotten a foot cream before. It says SOS, save your souls. Heels and toes are comforted and cooled with our revitalizing blend of essential oils, rosemary, and a fresh peppermint kick. Extra thick and oh so rich. Oh, wow. Oh, can you guys see this? Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely peppermint with a tinge of rosemary, but it's not over rosemary, and not at all. It actually smells very good. And you guys, yes, on the richness there. Another, this is going to be one that, oh, it's good. It smells like something when you think of like revitalizing for feet. This is what I would expect to smell. But this is going to go right at my bedside table, on my bedside table. Now we're to the last item for another quarter. All right. So we always get a bottle of perfume. And oops, this time it looks like it's from Tokyo Milk. But let me make sure it is from Tokyo Milk. It is their, so it's Tokyo Milk Dark, Ice Queen, number 73, Sparkling Citrus, Osmanthus, Salt Crystals, and Aquamarine. Their bottles are always so pretty. All right, let's smell. Oh, it's dark. Yeah, it's more, they don't, it's okay. I want to say musk, but it's not musk. It's deep. It's rich. It's strong. It's strong. So yeah, it says sparkling citrus. There is a tinge of citrus here, but it's kind of, I don't want to say it's overran or overpowered. When you smell this, you don't think citrus. I'm not quite sure what I think, but this is going to be one that I'm going to push it forward. This is not a scent for me. So, all right, guys, we're pulling the card. Okay, so it says, finding joy in the season. So it says, with a chill in the air, cup of tea in hand, we sit next to the glowing fire and take a moment to focus on the beauty the season brings. Our Margot Elena winter subscription box is filled with enchanting luxuries to inspire connection, care, and gratitude. Okay, so let's talk about prices. So the Tokyo Milk Dark, $56. The Lolita Snowdrop Perfumed Shower Gel is a new product, $24. Whoops. Okay, the Cottage Greenhouse Rescue Foot Cream, $30. And we're already over what we paid for this box. Again, this is what we paid for the box. The Me Happy Home Luminous Taper Candles. Oh my goodness. Okay, the M.E Happy Home Taper Candles, $18. Don't care for them. One, not a fan of the color. Two, they just don't fit. Now, we didn't get a candle this time in a container. We got these. I mean, other than this color, they just don't fit. So not overly excited about these, but they are $18. The Signature Stationery Set, so the 3 cards, $16.50. The Archive Journey Within Hand Cream. This is an exclusive, $24. Also, it says the Taper Candles is an exclusive as well. Now we have the Tokyo Milk, the Petite Set. I'm just dropping everything, you guys. So the Petite Set here. This also is an exclusive, $23. The Safety Matches, also another exclusive to the box, $14. And then the Lolita Hand Cream, the Snowdrop Petite Treat, is a holiday gift. So the retail value before the holiday gift is $205.50, and then this gift. So we're definitely getting our value here. Even since this is a no for me, but this is a yes, that's $30. The shower gel's a yes for me, that's $24. I'm loving the hand cream, that's $24. I'm loving the cards. So even though I'm not a fan of these and I don't like the scents, it's still of great value to me. And I'm still getting, my money's worth. And I also enjoy unboxing it. So overall, I'm going to go with, I think this box was a success for me. And overall, I'm happy. So yeah, I'm going to call it another win for the Margot Elena box. So again, this is the Winter 2025 edit. And as she says, or they say, see you in the next box. So I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye, everyone.